This is the crazy.
Oh, this is so brilliant.
Two,
Oh, yeah.
one.
When you think of someone else, you are energetically sending them energy. Now, this is why, by the way, it is very important to learn the power of forgiveness and understanding that if you don't forgive someone else, you keep that energy within your own field. That was like me back in 2017, or no, 2012, when I went through my awakening, realizing that even though at 15 years old, I never had to see my ex stepmom again, who was physically, mentally, and like abusive and controlling, even though I never had to see her again in my life, I kept attracting people into my life that reflected back that same energy dynamic. Because within my field, I had a belief that I have to fight for my freedom. I have a belief, or I had a belief that said women try to control me. So I attracted a manager that was trying to control me, an ex-girlfriend that was trying to control me, and I had to fight for my freedom. Because it was in my field, and then I would find myself attracting to other people that would reflect that back to me. So the thing about this is when you direct negative energy at anyone, you may believe it's going towards them, but it has to go through your field and it leaves a residue of that negative energy in your field. So resentment towards someone in your life is staying within your energy field because you have an energetic structure around your body with the accumulated thoughts of what you consistently think and feel. So the power of this is when you start becoming aware of the thoughts that you think. When you start
Right. Oh, damn.
Animal fart facts that will blow you away. Rumors use their farts to have stink farts. They rub their hands in the stench and wave them at their enemies. Blue whales can create fart bubbles so big you could fit a horse inside of it. Zebra farts are so loud they can be heard from miles away. Zebras also fart with every step they take when running away from a predator. Share this with someone who has no shame in their fart game. Ferrets scare themselves when they fart. The coral snake farts to defend itself. It raises its tail in the air and lets it rip when danger is near. Termites fart so much that they are responsible for 3% of global methane emissions. Because cows have 4 stomachs, they're constantly farting. They're responsible for 14% of the world's greenhouse gases each year. Manatees use farts to help them float. They have pouches in their intestines to store their farts. Herring fart to communicate with each other so they can form shoals when predators are around. A plane full of goats once had to make an emergency landing because the goats were farting so much that they set off the fire alarm.
Right. Oh.
I'm going to show you with a bowl of water and the sunlight how the stars and planets reflect through the firmament.
Oh.
Ultracrepidarian refers to someone who offers opinions or makes comments on subjects that are beyond their knowledge or expertise. In other words, it describes a person who gives advice, criticism, or opinions on topics they have little or no actual understanding of. The term often carries a negative connotation, highlighting the tendency of some individuals to speak confidently about matters they are not qualified to discuss.